Now you have experienced how to use the 9 breaths of purification to release your tensions, anxieties, desires, fears, and doubts. You might wonder how to get the most benefit from this wonderful meditation. Generally, most forms of meditation have the greatest impact if you use them at the beginning or end of your day. When we start our day with a meditation, we begin our activities from a calm, centered space, and the benefits can be felt all day. Alternately, if you practice at the end of your day, you can release all of your tensions that have built up throughout your day. Relax and enjoy a deep, restful sleep. Also, if you encounter difficult situations that cause you stress or anxiety, take just a few minutes and do 1 or 2 rounds of the 9 breaths of purification. You'll feel an immediate effect that helps you relax, bringing a more calm, centered perspective. I hope you find this practice helpful so you can lead a more calm, peaceful, and enjoyable life.